Hello, good day everyone. Welcome to our channel again. It's called The Pie Sweetens. Kagigising ko lang po, so we're gonna have a busy day today. First thing in the morning, this is what I drink. Hot water with slice of lemon. And today, ay pupunta po kami sa KW para magpa-haircut kay Eugz. Eugz, you're gonna have a haircut today. And we're waiting for Shanti to come down.
Wait lang.
And we're gonna bring Hannah with us. She also have an appointment at noon. Ready to go na itong dalawa. Nagsipwesto na. So, ikaw na lang magdadrive te. Sa KW ako na sa kanila, mag-babysit sa likod. Go, Eugz. Okay, you have to move and give me some room. Move a little bit. Move. Okay, the babes. Ready. Okay, dito na kami sa KWX Pet Station, pero sarado pa sila, so maghihintay kami dito. Dito na si Kuya, binubuksan niya na yung kanyang KW place. So excited na yung aming hello. Excited na yung aming mga Hi ate, good morning.
Ayan, hello guys. Hi, Eugz. Hi, Eugz. Hi, Eugz.
Ayan, waiting na si Eugz for haircut. At si Grihan ang sunod. Oh, diyan ka lang muna e-bike. Oh, mamaya, Grihan or Eugz, mamaya gagwapo ka na na gusto. Eugz, ready for haircut. Get to know each other daw po muna kasi sobra siyang galawgaw. Ayan. Sobra siyang likot. So,
Very malikot. Yung iba kasi dito, malikot, nangangagat pa.
here you go. Yan si Eugz. Hinahaircutan na. Kunwari, behave daw siya. Mamaya yan, tingnan natin. Ay, ikaw, Grihan. Naghihintay. Naghihintay si Grihan kung anong gagawin sa kanya mamaya. Kinukokya niya. Oh, wala pa nang matagihan na. So, habang naghihintay ako dito sa labas, may nakita akong nagbibenta ng sarsa. So, bumili ako ng sarsa. Ayan, no. Yan. Hipon at saka niyog. Luto daw sa gata. So, yan. Ipoprosin ko na lang. Para kasama yan sa diet ko. Pwede. Ayan na si Grihan. She looks really, really cute. Social na girl na girl.
Maganda yung ba?
Ang cute-cute ni Grihan. You look so cute, Grihan. You did a good job. Hindi ka pasaway. So, hanggang sa muli mga kaibigan, maraming salamat po sa panunood ng busy day namin today sa haircut ng aming mga alaga. So, sana po mag-subscribe kayo, mag-like, at mag-hit ng button. Bye for now!
I regret not going with them. Grihan looks beautiful. Very beautiful. But have you guys seen Eugz? Look what they did to Eugz. Look what they did to him. This poor boy. Oh, and Pharaoh's right there. The Pharaoh boy. But look at Eugz. He used to be beautiful. Anyway, guys, just like Mom said, please subscribe, like the video, and don't forget to comment whatever you want. You can even just comment grape, like TJ does. So thank you so much for watching this video, and also subscribe to my channel, my personal channel, right there. Okay, thank you. Bye.